In this video, I will show you how to download the Adobe Premiere Pro trial for free. There are two ways you can download the Adobe Premiere Pro free trial. Let's start with the first one. Open your browser and search for Adobe Support. Scroll down. Click on the first result. Scroll down. Click on the chat icon. Select Try or Buy an App. Copy the message from the video description and change your email. Paste it here and send it. Select Try or Buy New Plans or Apps. Select Yes, Chat with an Agent. Send the same message again. Wait, and they will allow you to download the trial version of Adobe Premiere Pro. That's how you can download the Adobe Premiere Pro trial for free. Alternatively, search for the Adobe Premiere Pro free trial. Click on the first result. Click the Start Free Trial button. Click Continue. Click Continue again. Enter your email and click Continue. Enter your payment info. Click Agree and subscribe. You will not be charged for the first 7 days. After the trial period ends, you'll be charged. Once subscribed, you can download the Premiere Pro free trial for either Windows or Mac.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.